Perry, I need your help. Can't take them both.
You don't deserve my help.
It's hard to believe what's happening. The brutality of it. I don't know how we can take any more.
This could be a tragic day for the people of New York. It could be the end of Spider-Man.
Твои обещания пустота.